Hey guys, Lance from datatraders.com here. This video I'm going to go over a safeguard strangle where we close the naked puts and we still have a put debit spread on. I'm going to go over how it's properly made, how we're going to manage it. Pretty straightforward in managing and dealing with the position. So if you look on Discord here that access all safeguard and lifetime members at datatraders.com receive, made a 112 safeguard trade on November 17th and sold two of the 3,900 puts. Bought a put debit spread at 4,300 and 4,250. Your initial premium, if you take 21.75 times it by 2 and subtract the 7.75 debit, looking at an initial premium of 35.75. Naked pose at 0.08. And goals to close the nakeds at 2. Actually, ended up closing it a little bit before that. Also go over the data on what could happen if your put debit spread expired worthless. You can make $158.75 and $1,100 total in your position, or 14.4%. If you're at max profit, you can make another 50 times the debit, or $408 or 37% in about 4 months time. Added the lines on the spreadsheet so members could easily follow it. See, there's a lot of conversations about these trades and other trades we do. This person here needed help actually putting in the trade, and we went over MESH over MESM. So if you have any questions on individual trades, as you can see, quite a bit of conversations here. So today I closed it at 2.4, very close to the 2. And the reason why was we had 42 days left in our trade. So decided to take profits a little bit earlier than normal. We're talking 0.4 times a 5 premium. So it's only a few bucks different. Made $155, and I'm leaving the put debit spread alone. I'm going to use that as a slight hedge against my whole account. This ended up being a 14.1% return in 77 days. If you do that per monthly, about 31 days in a month, it was 5.5% in a month. So I actually looked over the numbers here for dollar amounts. Sold the naked puts for $217.50. Bought the put debit spread for $38.75. I used $1,000 to make the trade. That's your buying power plus the cash you leave on the side. I go over very detailed strategies on how much cash to leave on futures trades. Bought it back for only 24 bucks. So good overall return there because net profit was 217 minus the debit of $38.75 minus the $24 I bought it back for. And it could make another up to $250 on the hedge. So overall, very good trade on the safeguards trades here. I do these every 2 weeks. So if you're interested in following along, you could join the safeguard membership or the lifetime membership at datatraders.com. Any questions, leave a comment down below. Hope everyone has a good rest of the weekend, and see you guys in the next one.